This Metal Spacers Online aluminum spacer pack gives you a generous quantity for larger projects, making it ideal for workshops, small production runs, and well-stocked spares bins. The spacers use a sturdy aluminum alloy that balances lightweight with impressive strength and natural resistance to rust in everyday environments. Their precise outside and inside diameters are well matched to 1/4 inch and metric M6 fasteners, so they seat cleanly without annoying wobble or slop. A plain tumbled aluminum surface keeps the finish clean and uniform, which helps parts slide into place smoothly and look professional in exposed assemblies. Because aluminum conducts heat efficiently, these spacers work very well around electronics or lighting, where you want hardware that will not trap heat against components. They come from a supplier that offers many compatible sizes and materials, so it is easy to standardize your spacers across different home, automotive, and industrial projects.